Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn how to write letter C, capital C and small c. C is for cake and we will do the coloring in cake. And you see here is a sentence, C is for cake, and we will write the sentence also. So before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is pink color. This is brown color. This is green color. This is purple color. This is orange color. This is sky blue color. This is blue color. And this is yellow color. So we are going to start with purple color. Start from here. Just make a curve. And stop here. This is capital C and small c is same like capital. Just make a curve and stop here. Capital C, small c, capital C, small c. C is for cake. Let's write over here. Capital C in 3 lines. Small c in 2 lines. Let's write with another color, with orange color. Capital C and small c. Very nice. Now let's write with green color. Capital C in 3 lines. Small c in 2 lines. Capital C and small c. Very easy letter. Let's color in the cake. In cake we are using pink color. So we have done coloring in cake. Let's write the sentence. C is for cake. Very nice. So we are going to write with pink color. C. Read with me. I. S is. C is. F. O. R for. C is for. C. A. K. E. Cake. C is for cake. Very nice. So we have done Letter C, capital C and small c. We have written capital C, small c and C is for cake. We done the coloring in cake. C is for cake. Let's read it again. C is for cake. Very nice. This is a sentence. CIS is FOR for CAKE. Cake. C is for cake. Very nice. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.